there is no other woodworking feature that stretches the imagination as the dovetail, the icon of woodworking history. Yet, most of the YouTube fine woodworking experts focus on traditional ways to cut the dovetail, and yes, a few of them actually cheat by using really soft wood and then tell you how quick they are at cutting dovetails. Well, in this short video, I hope to change your mindset that the most accurate and aesthetically pleasing dovetails can only be made with hand tools, because it's not strictly true. Now, I actually started out with the intention of cutting these dovetails that I designed by hand methods, and I even made a simple right angle jig for chiseling back the shoulders. Now, because I was using a softwood plywood, the material was prone to fibre breakout, and no matter how carefully I sliced with the chisel, I could not avoid that. So I used one of my many routers to remove the waste on the pins, a highly risky operation, and seriously only possible with this gorgeous little Makita cordless trimmer that seems to be aimed purely at tradesmen. No cable to get in the way, small, light, and once I removed the chippings guard, has excellent visibility where it counts, right at the tip of the cutter, and the LED light made all the difference. Without question, this was more skillful to control freehand than a chisel, because I had more things to think about at once, and one slip, the joint and the piece of furniture would be ruined. Of course, the bulk of the joint is cut straight from the saw, and actually a bandsaw can cut dovetails accurately. Well, please subscribe if you find this video inspiring, and make sure you hit the notifications bell, as I intend making an in-depth video on the little exhibition quality table that I created. Now, who is it on YouTube that tells you that the edge of plywood should be covered up and disguised? Come on guys, Elon Musk thinks outside the box. Oh sorry, the earth is a sphere, not a box. My name is Jeremy Broun. Thanks for watching.